And ads is a form of marketing to get your business discovered, right? The other way is using social media, which social media is your digital real estate. I want you to write that down or put that in the chat. Digital real estate. Because in today's digital world, you guys, when you use social media and you create content on social media, it is your digital real estate and it doesn't go away. So you're not going to spend time posting on social media and not get that time back. Because whatever time you spend posting on social media, it's digital real estate that will always be out there working for you. Like if you have a job, you're trading time for dollars, because if you work 8 hours, you have to work another 8 hours again to make an income. When you use social media, and let's just be honest with each other right now, you guys are all listening to me right now, and you guys are all a consumer. Imagine taking a little bit of that time and becoming a creator on social media and turn that into an income stream. So just remember that digital real estate. So let me give you an example. Here is, and I want you to look at social media as your storefront. This is your storefront. Do you see how when you see content like this, you want people to peek through the window? This is him looking through the window and you want them to click inside, right? The window. Because once they do, that's when you've got exposure and they can learn more. And this is how you're going to convert them into customers, by using automations. You guys, this is the thing that completely has brought me freedom on a level I didn't even know existed. And I'm so glad we're talking about it, because today is literally Freedom Friday, right? This website is literally out there working for you 24/7. So people can buy from you at any time. Right? So you're using social media and a free ad strategy to drive traffic back to this page that is working for you 24/7. This is what creates passive income. Because on average, inside my community, for the people that I work with, on average, 1 out of 20 are buying. That doesn't mean you're going to launch your business today and 20 people are going to go to your email list and buy. That's on average, right? And so if 1 out of 20 are buying, and if your number one selling product is $900, that can turn into, one customer a day can turn into $900 a day in daily pay. Now let's do the math on that. $900 a day in daily pay is literally $328,000 a year. In 3 years, you can become a self-made millionaire, right?